So we are just looking at ffmpeg. Okay, so if I were to copy this, okay, this will error, but what we're gonna do is we're just going to well, first let's see what the error here is. It's the exact same script though. Why can't I just move it? Okay, what is packets return? Packet iter. Okay, let's try it. I don't really get why. I don't think this is gonna work either. Okay. Is it a version thing? Okay, packets. But then in this one, okay, what does packets return? Packet iter. It's gotta be some weird. That's not gonna fix it, but I definitely want that. But I'm so confused about this. Okay, what if we just did this? Wait, there's two different versions of image. Presumably, yeah, I have the newer one and ffmpeg has the older one. Okay. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so it ran. I don't know why. What happens if I go over here and I change this to that? Okay, so packet iter. New next returns option. Where's the result? Wait, well, here's one thing we can check. We can check that this okay. Okay, so we are using an older version. Where is ffmpeg sys the third? Is that also a repo? Or is this in the same place? Okay, so there's that. Okay, I'm fine with that. Let's just see if we can run this thing. And then I want to do this. Okay, perfect. Wait, okay, but some of them failed. That's the interesting part. But that's okay, I guess. I mean, I guess it's fine. Okay, so but now I want to. Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. But what I would like to know is how can I learn what this feature does? This optional dependency presumably gives us ability. Wait, I could probably look for config feature equals image. Hmm. Okay, that's not that. Um, it's not that useful, actually. I don't think. Okay, what I want to look at is frame dot data. Okay, wait. Data does. Gosh, none of this is documented. That's the annoying thing. Oh, wait. Planes? If index is greater than. Wait, so if I print out the len frame.data.len. Oh, wait. What is a video? A video wraps a frame. And a frame is... Yeah, one of these weird... Oh, I get what this safe wrapper is. Right. Yeah, okay. That makes sense, actually. And then here is our classic AV frame. So... But this is... out of bounds. But shouldn't there be index? Okay, wait, let's try this. Frame dot plane. What is that? Shouldn't it be NB? Right, dereference as pointer, dereference this function dot width as user. That's totally fine. But now the question is, how do you take... Okay, wait, can I just do this? Frame dot pixel format? Oh, cool. Okay, so how to use ffmpeg CLI to find the pixel format of a local video file. But that's because, okay, but so if we do, this is converted pixel format. So if we were to, before, where do we have the actual frame? So wait, what does this do? This takes in... Oh, decoder is a video as well. Yeah, but I think that's a different video. This is a frame video. Yeah, so it's kind of confusing. Okay, so if we run this again, we should get YUV420, then the converted is RGB. What is the okay. Wait, okay, so wait. This RGB frame is the key. I wish there was docs on this thing. Can I just print out the planes? Why does it say there's only one plane? I want to look at... Please be 3. Okay, so, alright, interesting. Okay, so my guess is that... So, one... Okay, wait, let's just try that. So we're going to do save file 2. I don't give a fuck about it at all. Hey, I don't give a fuck about it at all. Okay, let's just see what happens. Okay, that's fantastic. All right, so... So instead of this, we need... From raw, that's what we had. data.toVec. Okay, so the only thing that we really needed to do that's new is we need to run this scalar. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, so we need the context decoder. And then that needs the input. And the input is the tricky part. Because I don't know how to construct that input. Like, can I just manually... Oh, wait, I just call wrap. Okay, cool. Okay, so in here, in old, the annoying thing about this is I actually want to... Okay, we can delete all of these. Examples. Okay, now I'm going to move this here. And then I want to figure out how to do this. Oh wait, I should just use this more. Okay. How do you register that it has an example? If I just put it in examples. Okay, so first off, this should be like that. Fantastic. So okay, so that just works. That's what I should do from now on, because it's so annoying that you don't get the highlighting unless it's main.rs. So okay, so now we need to copy over the scalar. We need to change the could not run graph. Oh wait. Okay. All right. That's fine. Because all we need to do... I should rewrite this. Okay, well, let's get it working and then I'll rewrite it. So what we need to do is we need to take the AV format context and wrap it. So let's just do that. So we have format context, format context, format context. So where is this guy? Okay, once we have the stream, once we have the codec ID, once we have all of this, read frame. The mutation of all this, it's like this very nested deep web. That's the nice thing about the Rust borrow semantics, is that you don't get as confused about what is changing what. Like AV read frame, I can imagine that this... So wait, how are we reading a frame here? Receive frame. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this. Actually, wait. I'm going to take the old. Copy this. So now we're going to say we need to set up the thing. So first off, we do this. That's the first thing. Second thing is the format name. Okay, then we get an input format. Is there such a thing? Because that needs to be in an unsafe. But wait, can I just do this? Oh, wait. Like that? Oh, actually, you know what? I don't want the semicolon, but I want the semicolon here. That's actually true. All right, so that's all good. Okay. Moving on. So now we have the input format. Which, what is the meaning of this? Who knows? Okay, we have options. We don't need to set that really. Okay, the URL is device name. I'm going to copy this over here, but we're not going to use it yet. And I want to look at main input. Okay, so that's fine. So we can do that. This is all in an unsafe, but it returns. So it matches this. And if we're good, we get the stream info. And what does it return? Okay, yeah. And if it finds the stream, interesting. Okay. Okay, so all we need to do is not call this, but we need to make one of these. So input format. So we will do that. We'll say we probably should error handle. Wait, that's not what I want to look at. I want to look at this. Yeah, that's really interesting because this input thing, it just does not have one that lets you pass in the format. And the input format for us is this dshow thing. Okay, fine. All right, so let's just do this. Unsafe AV format open input. The parameters are going to be AV format context. So okay, so the URL is the URL is here. The URL is the device name. Okay, the format is all good. And the options, we'll do this too. Okay, so now we're going to say input wrap this thing. Context input, which input is it? Format context input, okay. I don't know what the difference is, but that's okay to me. Quick fix, import, context input. Let input equal this. And what's wrong here? Expected raw pointer found I32. Right, so what actually happens in the input function? Opens the input. If it's a 0, returns OK input wrap. Wait, greater than or equal to 0 returns an OK context input wrap pointer PS. So I see. Okay. So in ours, PS is a null pointer. So here's what you do. If there's supposed to be a, you have to dereference here. Okay, whatever. Let's just assume that we're all good. All right, so now we have our input. So I'm actually going to probably copy this over to here. I wish it would just go through and I wish I could just rapid fire do that. Like, I do something and it just opens up all the dialogues. This returns a result. Okay, fine. So you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we just move this here. Now we have an input of type input. And here we do just, hold on. I don't know. Inputa. Okay. So honestly, that might work. Cannot open file. Oh, wait, but, okay, let's just rename this to ITX. Okay, we still got an error. Status access violation. Okay, so the problem is almost certainly okay, so why does this fail? Status access violation. What is just status access violation? What does that even mean? This is gonna fail too. Okay, so oh wait, this is gonna be unsafe. I should be able to get the name out of it. So why doesn't this work? Wait, that's weird. But if I do this, wait, I am running new though. I am confused. Okay. Not even a real thing. Total hallucination. Oh, you know what? And then in here, we do the same thing. But it doesn't even get to this other A, which means... So this fails. But are we trying to find a codec or are we trying to find an input format? So there's no wrapper, I guess. There's no safe wrapper for this function or something. Okay, can I just do this? Oh gosh. Oh wait, bro. Wait a minute. But okay, so we don't get to this thing, do we? Oh, we do. Okay. We get to this thing. We don't get there. But if I comment this out, do we get there? Okay, so well, that's progress, sort of. Now if I move it inside. Oh, wait. What is AV input format? That is a question to ask. I love that they just don't have an... Dude. I love that they just are like, we don't tell you what it is, but we tell you... God. Damn, I feel like I was so close. But why? No way this changes anything, right? Oh, wow. So AV device register all actually does do something. All right, well, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's just go back here. Format needs to go in here. I don't know why you can't print, though. Oh, wow. Wait, but why is it all the same image? I don't get why it's the same image. But that is awesome. Okay, so... Okay, so taking a pic from a webcam in Rust, ffmpeg, and what exactly do we do? Using image to write. I mean, that's pretty great. I am very surprised that we got that far. But I don't get why the images are all the same. Like, these are definitely the exact same image, right? Is it not? Let's try to write into, first off, we're writing it to frames. Okay. And then let's write time leap in microseconds. So let's do 1000 as U32. And if I equals, let's say 50. Because that was all within 1 second. So it could be, I mean, that's still really fast. Oh, okay, yeah, cool. So they are different. It's going way too fast, though. We need to, like, limit the frame rate. All right, let's run it again. Nice. Very nice. Okay, cool. ffmpeg is not that bad. Okay. Well, that was very productive. I think I want to... So wait, what are we even doing here? I don't even know what I want to do now. It was fast, though. That was kind of amazing how fast it was. I mean, I feel like the network inference is probably what was dominating the other example. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we want to stream. So now we just want to stream our webcam. It's a Rust script that uses pure ffmpeg bindings to stream to some RTMP thing. This is going to be annoying to do without leaking a stream key. Okay. Fuck. Come on, man. Okay, so maybe... I don't know what it is, but it always seems like it's easier to get the examples working in Rust than it is to use C. I don't know why that is. Wait, can I set the frame rate here? I wish these had doc strings, man. Okay, so this was the key, is that you needed to use this scalar. Can I just print out scalar dot I think I need to do dot as pointer. Maybe I can't dereference this. I don't know. I don't like this. Okay, dot what? Dot see if this works. Where can I get the fields of this thing, man? Context. Okay, as pointer, then dereference. Do I need to dereference it differently? I'm so confused though. Oh God! See, this is what I'm saying, man. Like, what? Why is this thing like this? So, like, I just want to know. Okay, source format. That's actually what it was, and it. All right, it's YUYV 422. Okay, cool. So now that we can do that, we need to, okay, so I'm just going to say this. Undo all of that. Okay, let me just make sure that this runs. Cool. The interesting thing is that when it opens up, it's like way too bright. Okay. So this script successfully captures 50 frames from a webcam. But now I want to learn how to stream this to a RTMP server. To stream video frames to an RTMP server using Rust and ffmpeg, you will need to perform several steps. Okay. I need to make a dummy. Stream or something. Or it could just hide it in an environment variable. I think I'll probably do that, and then just make sure to not print it. Okay, so let's go through this. Encode the video frames and write them to the RTMP server in the correct format. Is there an output function? There probably is, right? A high-level output function. So this probably does basically the same thing. And it returns an input. What? It does the exact same thing, except whatever. They had to change this. Okay. Encoder find H.264. Add a stream. I don't know if any of this is right. This part is definitely going to be harder than capturing the frames. Well, the nice thing is that we won't have to use the scaler to change the pixel format because H.264, I guess, support. Oh, actually, you know what? That is not the. But it doesn't know what my pixel format is. But it's almost a guarantee that H.264 supports YUIV 422. That's the presentation's timestamp, okay? Encoder.receive packet, output context write packet. That's it? I feel like there's no way that's as easy as it is. Output context manages the connection and streaming to the RTMP server. You specify the server URL when creating it. Where's the stream key, though? I'm guessing that it's the full thing where you put the stream key at the end. Each frame must be encoded and then sent. So I guess the encoder handles the decision-making and processing needed for inter-frame compression to determine the best way to compress a sequence of frames. Okay, so if we look at that encoder, what is the type of the encoder? Do we even have an encoder? So that returns a decoder. All right, okay. What's going on? Dude, what is up with these fucking graphic designers spamming? I don't get it. What is the grift? It's like, I don't get it. It's just a massive army of fake graphic designers on Twitch. My guess is it's still real people, because it would be pretty crazy to set up a grift operation that like real time does speech to text transcription and then chats like a fake conversation to try to get someone to buy some fucking art. I don't get it. Okay, whatever. Okay, so maybe the next step. Maybe the next step is instead of writing PNGs, we're going to try to capture webcam video. We're going to try to do um, I'm actually surprised at how well this all worked. No, that's weird. Why is the old planes 1? It was 3 on the old camera. Okay. Okay, so let me see if I know how to do this. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be D-show. So this is the format. And then the input is going to be video equals Microsoft Okay, perfect. So that's all Gucci. Perfect. Okay, so the next step is to all right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to do webcam frame cap. Okay. Now here, we're going to start all over. Okay. So there's ffmpeg. Okay, so this will become list devices. Wait. Oh wait, I probably have to put this up above. I don't understand. This seems like a cop-out, man. Is it int? Yeah. Init input. Oh wait, there's an AV device list devices. That's probably pretty useful. There any examples on how to use this fucking thing? Wait, do you need that? What the hell am I doing? Oh yeah. Oh, what the heck? Wait, is that during compilation? No. What even is that? The D drive? I wish I could do let. Can I just set it? What is S? The context. Oh, cool. Didn't list any, but it didn't fail either. Oh, it did fail. How do I get the blame on this? With it properties. Let's find. Wow, this guy's a beast. Actually, you know what? I shouldn't do that. Anyways, Okay, to hell with the list devices thing. Let's close everything. What the hell is going on here? What the hell? What is going on here? It stopped at the exact same point. That is totally insane. If it does it again, I'm going to be really confused. Okay, that's different code. Let's see. My guess is that this is totally wrong. Errors, errors, errors. Yep. Right, it's hallucinating a whole bunch of stuff. AV find. Right, format name as pointer. AV format open input. That is correct. This is wrong. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. Jesus, it's pretty stupid. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So we got that. Okay, input stream, blah, 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 blah. Output. The output file, okay. We're just going to do that. It doesn't take anything else. And this probably needs to be a C string new. And then this needs to be as pointer. What's wrong? Oh, wait, no, you know what? That's actually, because this is our handy dandy. We just need to output. Can I just call that into? As ref path. What the hell is going on here? What about this? What the fuck? As ref path. What the frick? Man? Do I just have to do this? Okay. I don't know why I didn't get a quick fix for that thing. Expected codec found ID. Is this a real thing? Okay, that's a real thing. So wait. Encoder. Codec. New. Find by name. Find by ID. Find by name. Okay, let's go to this guy. Find. ffmpeg, is that a real thing or is that my bullshit? That's probably fake. Encoder find codec ID none. Okay, so that's what we want. Encoder find C. Let mute encoder equal that. Okay, dot unwrap dot video. And then I probably have to do dot unwrap again. I want to just run this. Oh wait, it's not going to run. Okay, encoder set bitrate. That's of type audio. Fantastic. Oh, it's probably set rate. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Lol. I don't get it. What even is this type? Okay, it's a wrapper around a codec, an AV codec. Supported frame rates. I want that. I want that. I want it, I want it, I want it. I want it. Jesus Christ. Okay, fine. So let's get that. Let's get that stuff. I want to just do this. For right now, I don't know what any of that means. This is what I was thinking of. It's probably 2 years old. Oh, interesting. It's based on ffmpeg. It's probably using, yeah, ffmpeg next. And array. You know what? Hey, this looks like a kind of nice API. To automate video surveillance. Where are they? Huh. Well, I'm not doing a fucking ad for them. All right. What is next? Okay, so I just want to see if this will run. Okay. So now I want the supported. Can I just do this? First off, let's just try to print. Will this work? Wait, did this work? I forgot. Unsafe here as pointer star. Did this work? Okay, but I don't want to use this. I want to use AV1. I want to be the cool kid. Wait, but I don't want to use liba. I want to use the other one. How do I... Okay, I'll use this, but I want to set the back end. How do I set the back? All right, whatever. We'll use libaom for now. Oh, but you know what? I probably can set... Okay, wait. Okay, whatever. Now I want to know how to set... It's an encoder, but I have a video. Okay, so here, now we probably can do this. Wait. That's a codec, but I want an encoder. That's a codec, bro. I don't want the codec. I want an encoder. So how do I do that? This is a codec context. I'm bumbling around. Let me read some more of the examples, because I'm sure that these examples... I need to cut the stream short. At like 12:45, I think. Okay, so output stream index, decoder, encoder. Takes a stream. Let's see, what's the usage of this example? Because this might be a pretty quick... Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write a function. You know, I don't care. Are we going to just copy this? I just want to try running this thing. This thing sucks, man. Come on. The hell? The hell's going on? Wow, is it really that slow? No, I feel like it's broken. There's no way the AV1 is this bad. Oh my god, it actually might be that bad. Okay, I can't be bothered. 2 frames a second? Wait, 50 is bad, right? Ultra fast. Dude, there's no way that's true. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Ugh, no freaking grep. Bro, this is literally a joke. How is AV1 that slow? Like, that doesn't even make sense. Oh my god. That was 3 years ago. Is AV1 still total garbage? That's great. I like that. Just use Google computers. Okay, wait. I can't be bothered with this. I just can't believe that's really how slow it is. I mean, I'm just surprised that it's really that much better. I agree, bro. Look elsewhere, dumbass. Bro, this comment is so hilarious. Stop using this stupid nerd codec. Oh my god. I want AV9 to be good. I mean, for real though, it's written in C++, right? I just can't believe how slow it is. Like, is it gonna get better? Is there a plan to make AV1 useful at all? Like, I just can't imagine anyone using AV1 to encode. Like, it was dummy slow. It was 1/20th of a frame per second or something. No, that's not right. What was it? What am I trying to build? Well, I'm trying to build kind of like an OBS command line tool, I guess. I mean, basically, I just want to learn ffmpeg, but the goal would be to maybe make a little GUI written in Rust. Oh shit! I've dropped 30% of my frames. I guess my internet did go out for a while, and I had no idea. Anyways, yeah. So right now I have this thing that I can run. So, I have a second webcam that's not open in OBS, so I can use it. So if I do this, okay. So that wrote 50 frames to my computer, and here's the script. It opens the webcam. It opens it as an input. Then then I define a scaler that converts it from whatever YUYV to RGB. Then I use the image crate here to make it an RGB image like this after applying the scaler. So after the scaler, I just save the file. Did I miss you? Is it way? No, you. I saw your comment pretty. Let's see. You still watching? Anyway, so the next step is to try to encode a video. I thought I was going to be all cool and use AV1, but I just learned that AV1 is like the slowest encoder of all time. So I will definitely be using 264. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, this is not what I saw at all for me. It could be that it's just not using my GPU. Because I'm on a laptop and I have a really old GPU. Is my audio too low? No, it doesn't look like. Audio might be a little low. All right, let's see. Because it was so freaking slow for me. There's no legend. How do I even... Oh. No, there's no legend. I mean, that is just insane. AV1 excites me as a open source enthusiast, but as a realist, this is how I feel. It's a stupid nerd codec for nerds. Yo, what's up? If you're coming in here to try to get me to buy some graphic design bullshit, I'm not having it. Okay, you're not. Thank God. I've had a bunch of nonsense lately. Okay, well, in that case, let's go back to work. So we're going to... have enough money. No, dude. What I'm saying is a bunch of people are coming into my stream, like 3 at this point, and they're like, "Look at my art. I'm an artist, and I help streams." And it's like some weird scam where they're graphic designers trying to sell me something. No, I don't want money from you, bro. I just want to get this thing to work, honestly. But I think I have to go pretty soon because I have to do this volunteering thing. So here's what I'm gonna do. All right, we're gonna try to. Given an input file, transcode all video streams into H.264. Okay, so we're gonna just try to do this. And then I'm gonna copy that video, and we can delete this. Oh, you hate ffmpeg? What do you use instead? I mean, I honestly kind of hate ffmpeg too. It's such a pain in the ass, bro. It's literally such a pain to use. But I feel like I'm getting the hang of it. But it's just like, just simple stuff is like totally like 300 lines of code to take a picture. It's like, I was sending the robot's camera to the computer and it was delayed by a second and a half. What were you writing it in? Because if you're writing it in Python, that makes some sense because, well, I don't know what you were doing. I'd have to read it. But like, I was looking at the Python ffmpeg library, and all it is a wrapper around the CLI. It doesn't actually give you lib access. So like, you're starting up the whole thing every time you invoke one of those commands, it seemed like. But the server didn't. I was looking at GStreamer. Yeah, I was looking at GStreamer. I heard that they're writing a bunch of it in Rust, actually. The thing is, everyone uses ffmpeg. That's the thing. If you're gonna go to GitLab, you better set up a mirror. I hate these people that are like, we use GitLab. Well, I'm not contributing. Let's see, is there an examples folder? Nope. Are they the same thing? I mean, just the way this makes it sound, GStreamer seems better. Wait, does... Well, okay, for me, Rust just makes the like project management is so much easier. Like to be able to do dependency management without having to deal with CMake and a whole bunch, like I don't want to learn a new language just to like build my project. So I feel like it just makes things easier. Plus the tooling. The tooling is so good. Man, these inline hints, all I have to do is type cargo run and it runs my shit. Like there's too much mental overhead of thinking about linking libraries and like if you want to be some like grunt sitting in a basement like -I include folder. Like, go ahead, but I don't really care about any of that. I just want to do something. So I like Rust, and yeah, I like Rust. Okay, so presumably there is. Okay, sends flash video content. Okay, so that's what you want. Also, the ffmpeg docs are total garbage. Whenever you Google something, it gives you like ffmpeg 2. It's ridiculous. That's cool. You were building a robot though? Dude, I want to know about that. What I want to do with this too is I want to build not a robot necessarily, but like a like a there's this thing called ObsBot. It's a like a product that you buy. The first language I learned was PHP. I said I didn't want to learn another language. Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, especially starting with PHP. I've never learned PHP to be honest. All right, let's move this back. But anyway, so there's this thing called ObsBot, and ObsBot uh, lets you. It's just a tracker. It's a camera for streamers that tracks you. But the thing is, it's this Chinese crap, and it has its own proprietary app and a whole bunch of nonsense in it. So I want to build an open source version so streamers can like have a set of tools and hardware that they could either put together themselves or maybe sell at a slight profit. But I want to manufacture something because I did some electronics projects earlier, and I'm like super into this open hardware thing, but I need to get all the software right. I feel like, but I have some servos and an Arduino upstairs, and hopefully soon. I mean, technically, oh wait, let me show you another demo that I have. Let's see if this will work. Hold on. Okay. So I have been playing around with this neural network inference engine called Onyx Runtime. All right, so let's see, where do I open the? Let's see, where's the camera? Where's the capture loop? Okay, so we want the old capture loop. We want the old capture loop. And we want to initialize camera index. See if this works. Okay, wait, what happened? Probably something stupid. Oh. I don't care. Okay. All right, so here we go. I think this will work. Build times are crazy, though. Okay. Oh, yeah, you know what? That's true, huh? So, capture, predict loop. This one. Where did I? Failed to run inference. Hold on. Where is the part where I prep image and infer? This needs to be. Oh God, I forgot. I forgot what I did. Um, yep. Are you using? Yeah, no. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the yeah, dude, it's so true. You can never do anything. You're like, okay, no, it's gonna work. Takes 20 more minutes. So I think the models were all trained using Python. So there was two models. There was this neural style transfer one, which presumably actually I can have work. So let's go to function main. Let's see. We want to do this one. And then we probably still want cameras 1. Let's try to run this. Hopefully this will work. Okay, so the picture is, oh wait, here, hold on. Okay, so now it's doing neural style transfer on my webcam. But the thing that I really want is I wanted the bounding box. So this other model that I'm running, which is this RFB 320 model, supposedly will lets me draw a bounding box. Okay, prep, image, and infer. This is probably what's wrong. Oh wait, you know what it is? I know what it is. I'm just a dumbass. I need to do this. Okay, then change that. Okay, this is probably gonna work. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully it works. Okay, so now I have a bounding box, and what I want to do is mount my camera, which is this, to a couple of servos, and then let's see if I can get this right. Okay, mount it to a couple of servos, and then have it try to center the face on the screen by following it around. I don't. I need to profile it. I think I can. I am using CUDA in the runtime, but I haven't learned enough about the runtime to actually verify that it really is using it. I think it is, but you know, because if you look in here, this and I print out the session. Execution providers CUDA, but it doesn't. I don't know. I'm not positive that it really is. Because it's slow. It's like pretty slow. Like 7 FPS is not as fast. You know, I would like it to be faster. Okay, cool. So okay, let me add a RFB Onyx models ultra face. It is that, I think. Body analysis object. I don't think it's those. I think it's in here. This has like more than 1,000 models in it. Onyx face detection. Let me try to find this thing. Shit, I should have written it down. I don't know where I put it. There's that model, but where is the other model? Hold on, give me a second. Okay. It is called Ultraface, Onyx Ultraface. I think that actually is what it is. Okay, so the 2 supported. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll just make a commit. Revert to edit books model. Okay, whatever. So that is sort of the first axis on what I'm doing. But yeah. There's so much of pain in the ass stuff that needs to happen to be able to do anything. Okay, so what are we doing here? We're looking at transcoding because the next step that I want to do is just know how to take my webcam and save it to a video with Rust as opposed to from the command line. But I will be back. I need to go to the bathroom. Okay. So, what are we doing? We need to read this thing. Is this a playable video? No. So we can close this, close that. Okay, so here I'm gonna take. You can't play MKVs? What the hell? Okay, cool. So we're gonna just copy this over to here. And we're gonna try to do CR to release example transcode vid2.mp4. Okay. Oh wait, did I need to provide a codec? I thought this was identical. This is the old version, right? I'm pretty sure that this is exactly how it was. Okay, that's fantastic. Wait. Okay, well, that is great. Love it. I love it. Can I just give it none? Can I give it a open with? Let's see what it says to do. Does this fail for the other ffmpeg library? They're probably identical. But you know what? Maybe it's worth trying. This is the last thing I can try before I have to go do something. Okay, I'm going to copy this video again. Okay, this should be the identical thing, but we're going to see if it runs. So does anyone else know about this? Do these examples actually get run? What even happens in these tests?